How an octopus celebrated his first Christmas. It was Christmas Eve, and Max was bursting with excitement. His seaside cottage was decorated with twinkling lights, a sparkling tree, and stockings hung by the fireplace. Just as he was about to enjoy some hot cocoa, a familiar splash caught his attention. Rushing to the beach, Max found his best friend, Finn the magical octopus, looking puzzled. "Why is everything glowing and sparkling up here?" Finn asked, his tentacles gesturing toward the colorful lights. "It's Christmas," Max said. But Finn had never heard of Christmas before. Determined to show his friend the magic of the holiday, Max took Finn on a Christmas adventure. First, they built a snowman, but Finn's 8 tentacles kept knocking it over, turning it into a pile of snow that made them laugh until their sides hurt. Next, they went sledding. Finn used his tentacles like skis, sliding so fast that he ended up in a snowdrift. Inside the house, Max introduced Finn to Christmas traditions. They decorated the tree, though Finn got tangled in the lights and ended up glowing like a living ornament. Then came cookie baking, where Finn accidentally used his tentacles to make cookies shaped like jellyfish instead of stars. Despite the mess, the cookies turned out delicious. When night fell, Max showed Finn the beauty of Christmas. They walked through the snowy village with Finn humming along to the songs. The other children were delighted to see a singing octopus and invited him to join their games. Finally, Max took Finn back to his cozy home and gave him his first Christmas gift, a shiny red scarf to keep his head warm on chilly nights. In return, Finn gifted Max a glowing seashell from his underwater world, saying, "Now you can have a piece of magic with you always." Finn looked around, his eyes wide with wonder. Christmas is amazing. It's like a holiday full of love, laughter, and surprises. Max smiled. That's exactly what it is, and it's even better when you share it with friends. This festive, funny, and heartwarming story is a reminder that Christmas isn't just about traditions. It's about making memories, laughing at the little things, and sharing the magic of the season with the ones you care about. Subscribe now and join us on a magical journey through the world of stories.